good health earlier, why suddenly low hemoglobin? So we need to go to the root of the problem. So most of the times we find something in the GI tract in these patients. So it may be a gastric ulcer, a duodenal ulcer, or it may be simple hemorrhoid spikes. But at the same time, we must keep the differential of a CA stomach or CA rectum in our mind. So must go for a stool for a gallbladder and try to get an endoscopy and colonoscopy here. So colorectal cancer is also very common in our country, and we see a lot of these cases and very high incidence, and so most of these cases occur after the age of 50. That's why the screening is recommended to be started at 50 years of age. So it also has a long natural history where the mutations keep on happening and adenoma formation is there, and with time these adenomas may change into malignant lesions. Now, colorectal cancer can be sporadic, or there are some high risk cases where there is family history. We all have heard of familial adenomatous polyposis or hereditary non-polyposis colon cancer syndrome. So the chances of getting colon cancers are very high in these cases, and so for these genetic syndromes. So then there are inflammatory bowel disease, that is ulcerative colitis, where again the risk of getting colon cancer is high with the natural history of the disease. This is a picture of a polyp. Now FAP has 100% chances of developing malignancy. So all these cases where this runs in family, they actually undergo total colectomy at a very early age, because the polyp starts appearing as early as 10 years, 11 years of age. So HNPCC again has a very high, the lifetime risk of colorectal cancer is up to 60%, so which is again a very high risk, and most of these patients would also undergo total colectomy once the polyp starts developing. So again, ulcerative colitis, so duration of disease as it increases, the chances of getting a cancer are very high. So that would also depend upon the extent of the involvement of colon. So if we have a low-grade dysplasia, there are 10% chances. So as the grade of dysplasia increases in ulcerative colitis, the chances of getting a cancer also increase. So with increasing natural history, so up to 40 years of age, with a prolonged suffering, people who suffer from ulcerative colitis, so the chances of getting colon cancer are as high as 50 to 75% with increasing age. So these patients should regularly undergo colonoscopy every few years to see any malignant changes if they are happening. So we recommend to begin screening at age of 50. And so if somebody has a family history, then it starts very early. So for HNPCC, we start at about 20-25 years of age. And so